To add the current sensors, go to the main web server, go to the My Plans section, select the devices and select current sensors. Select the add button. Initially, you will have three options to add the current sensors. The first option is directly add and give the Modbus ID inside the web server. The second option is only assign a Modbus ID but add the hardware later. The third option is add the hardware but do not assign a Modbus ID. Right now, we will show the case add and assign your current sensor. Once you press the button, wait for the instructions to pop out. And once you have the instructions board, press the push buttons on the current sensors. The next available Modbus ID will be automatically assigned and the current sensor is integrated. Green indicates successful integration of current sensor. Once the current sensors are integrated, it is important to configure them so we can have them in the correct widgets. Select the phase values, select the device category. If the current sensors are measuring an export energy, it is important to notify the system so the correct tags are assigned. Since the current sensors only measure the current values, it is important to give to the system the voltage source and the power factor source. To select the voltage source, it can be a constant value or it can be a register that is coming from a meter that is integrated. Give it a register and save the voltage source. Similarly, also for the power factor source, you can even delete the current sensors that are identified. Once the configuration is done, you can have these visualizations of the current sensors in the main page. Go to the home page. Create a new dashboard if you would like. In this video, I will show you how to add the instantaneous value widget. Select the instantaneous values, select the current sensors type and the devices that we have just integrated. Select the value that you would like to read if it is an AC energy AC and add the widget. Here you can also add energy values and other values of the current sensors. Thank you.